Good evening, Pratiksha.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, what do you want to do today?
From all the chapters, ma'am.
From all the chapters, questions, sample paper.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the last question? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one? Which one was the last question?
A equal to root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2 and B equal to root 3 minus root 3 plus root 2 and divided by root 3 plus root 2. You asked to find A square plus B square
Minus 5AB, I think, no?
minus 5AB.
You got the answer as some 93 or something, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that was the last question. So we can continue from there. Okay. We will start answering questions. I'll share my screen with you. I'll cut off the video because it will give me more bandwidth. So I'll share this. Keep your pencil, paper, keep your book, pen, then pencil, then geometry box. If you don't have geometry box also, it's okay. You have to keep your compass, scale, pencil, protractor. In any mathematics class, you should keep all this with you. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was the question number? Yesterday's question? Last class?
18.
18, ma'am.
18, ma'am.
So you write 19 now, okay? Question number 19. A room is 7 meter long, 6.5 meter wide, and 5 meter high. It has 5 meter high. It has a door 3 meters into 1.5 meters and 3 windows each measuring 3 meters into 2 meters. The interior walls have to be painted at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square. Find the cost of whitewashing. Find the cost of painting. Do this. There is a room. Can you see my screen? I have written the question. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a room. There is a room 7 meter long, 6.5 meter wide, and 5 meter high. It has a door 3 meters into 1.5 meters. 3 windows each of them measuring 3 meters into 2 meters. Interior walls have to be painted at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square. Find the cost of painting. Do this question. Everybody will do the answer, write the answer, but I'll ask somebody, that person has to answer. Yesterday who has not answered, Mahalakshmi will answer. Madhumita, Danaya, Bhumika. Now, Everybody answer this question in your book. Lateral surface area of cuboid minus area of door minus area of 3 windows multiplied by 10. Got it? Over? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your answer?
1,125 rupees, ma'am.
1,125 rupees, ma'am.
Okay. So formula for lateral surface area of cuboid.
2 bracket BH plus HL.
2H into L plus B, shall I write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So your area to be painted is 2H into L plus B minus 3 into 1.5 minus 3 into 3 into 2. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 into 5 into L plus B, 13.5 minus 4.5 minus 18. So 10 into 13.5 minus 22.5. 135 minus 22.5.
112.
So amount or cost, we can say, is 112.5 multiplied by 10. 1,125 rupees. Is this your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has done? Anybody has to write? No answer. Nobody will answer. Only few will answer. 1 or 2 will answer. All others will be quiet. So I should start that spin wheel now. If I start the spin wheel, then whoever name comes must answer. All of you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Shall we go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is question number 11, no? Question number
20, ma'am. 20.
20. Now, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, prove that b plus c whole squared by 3bc c plus a whole squared by 3ac plus a plus b whole squared by 3ab equal to 1. Have you done this question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, try. Got it?
Wait, ma'am.
Wait, I'll spin the wheel. You have to tell me. Whoever gets it must tell me. Lakshmi. Lakshmi is there? Lakshmi? Not there.
Please show the question.
You want to see the question?
Ma'am.
Okay. Can you see?
Ma'am.
Yes,
What are you doing? How are you doing?
Ma'am, b plus c whole square means b square plus.
B square plus C square plus 2BC, ma'am.
Okay. And you'll be stuck. You see, this is the clue. If a plus b plus c is 0, then what is a cube plus b cube plus c cube?
3ABC, ma'am.
3 Why is that? 3 ABCs.
3abc. So we have ABC, 3AC, 3AB. So what we can do is a plus b plus c is 0. So what is a plus b?
Minus c, ma'am.
Minus C, ma'am.
B plus c?
Minus a, ma'am.
Minus C,
Minus A,
ma'am.
A plus c?
Minus B.
Minus b, ma'am.
Minus
Minus. So this will become minus a whole squared plus 3bc. This will become minus b whole squared by 3ac. And this will become minus c whole squared by 3ab. Correct? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So it will be a squared by 3bc, b squared by 3ac, c squared by 3ab. What is the LCM?
3 abc, ma'am.
3ABC, ma'am.
3abc. And here
A cube, ma'am.
Is a cube, ma'am.
Cube plus
ma'am.
B cube plus C cube.
B cube plus
Ah.
C cube.
what is a cube plus b cube plus c cube?
3ABC.
3 x y z means 3 ABC, ma'am.
ABC by 3abc
3
is
with 1 ma'am.
1.
1.
To 1, ma'am.
So this is the LHS and this is RHS. Don't do a plus b whole square. You may get it. You may get it also. But this one you will get it in so few steps. There you got stuck, I think. B squared plus 2bc plus. So if you do it that way, b squared plus b squared plus 2bc plus c squared by 3bc and c squared plus 2ca plus a squared by 2a 3ac a squared 2ab b squared 3ab 3abc. Then here you will get ab squared plus 2abc ac squared bc squared 2abc, then a squared b, then you will get ca squared 2abc cb squared. So that will give you 6abc plus ab squared ac squared bc squared a squared b ca squared cb squared. Nothing is common. AB plus C square. We'll get AB into A plus B plus BC into B plus C plus CA into C plus A by 3ABC. I am combining AB squared A squared B. We'll get AB into A plus B. then AC squared and CA squared. We'll get CA into C plus A. Then BC squared and CB squared. BC into B plus A. So that will be 6ABC plus AB into minus C. Am I right? Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus ABC minus ABC minus ABC by 3ABC. You will get it. 3ABC by 3ABC. 1. You will get that way also. You do after that. Are you understanding what I am doing here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You are expanding the B plus C whole squared, which you did in the beginning. That I did. You will get like this. But ultimately, you have to replace A plus B by minus C, B plus C by minus A plus C by minus B. Correct?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Anybody has any doubt? Anybody has not understood any step? Please ask. Can we go to next question?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 21. Construct a triangle ABC given angle B equal to 35 degrees, BC equal to 4.5, AB plus BC equal to 8.2 centimeters. You have to construct this triangle. Keep your scale, take your scale, pencil, compass, protractor, everything. You have to construct. You can't draw a rough sketch. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So take your geometry box with you and share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So first you take your scale and how much you have to draw?
4.5, ma'am.
4.5, ma'am.
Correct. Draw a line of 4.5 centimeter. Then take your protractor, construct 45 degrees here. From 0 you have to take, not from 180. This is 45. Now AB plus AC is 8.2. What should we do?
Cut 8.5.
8.2. Cut 8.2. So it is difficult to cut with compass. I am taking scale and marking 8.2. Can you do it with protractor? Compass?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, then I'll also try with compass. Yeah, you're right. We can do. Now, after this, what should we do?
Join that point to C.
Join that point to the C.
Correct. Join this point to C.
Draw a perpendicular bisector of that line.
Correct.
And we have to give the name for that point and draw perpendicular bisector.
Okay, I'll give him as D. We have to bisect DC perpendicularly. So with the D and C as centers, more than half of DC as radius, we have to draw arc on both sides of the line. Now keep it at D and cut this. Now join these 2 points. Now, what should we do?
And where that line
Huh.
meet at BD, no ma'am, that we have to join that to C.
Correct.
Will be
Name
D.
that point as A and then join that point to C. ABC is the required triangle. Correct?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All are doing? Any problem?
Did, ma'am.
Any
No, ma'am.
problem? Easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Either they'll give AB plus AC or AB minus AC or AC minus AB. Three types. AB minus AC will be similar. AC minus AB means it will go down here. Down it will come. AC minus AB. Can we go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. 22nd, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is a table, frequency distribution table, and some questions are asked on it. You have to answer the question. Scores, number of candidates. 200, 250, 250, 300, 300, 350, 350, 400, 400, 450, 450, 500, 500, 550, 550, and 600. And the frequencies are 30, 15, 45, 20, 25, 40, 10, and 15. This is the data. Data means what?
One information.
Correct. Whatever is given. This is the information given. Now there are some questions on this. Questions are, first one, class limit of third interval. Class limits of third class interval. What are the class limits of third class interval? This is first one. This is second one. This is the third
300 to 350, ma'am.
300 to
Correct.
350, ma'am.
one. Correct. 300 to 350. 300 is the
Lower limit.
Lower limit,
Lower
ma'am.
limit.
lower limit. 350 is the upper limit.
Upper
Next.
limit.
Find the class size
50, ma'am.
Class,
50, ma'am.
50,
50, ma'am.
yes. 250 minus 200, that is 50. Next. Find the class mark of 6th class interval. This is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Class mark. How do you find class mark?
475, ma'am.
475, ma'am.
450 plus 500 divided by 2.
Correct. So for 500 or for 450 plus 500 divided by 2. The value of the class interval. So that will give you 475. Correct. Next question. How many candidates are in the range 350 to 600? How many are in that range?
35, ma'am.
350 to
110, ma'am.
110.
10.
So you have to
110,
add
ma'am.
110.
25, 40, 10. So 0, 110. Next. How many candidates or score more than 500? More than 500.
25, ma'am.
Ma'am, 25.
25.
25, ma'am.
25 or 35?
25, ma'am.
25, ma'am.
More than 500 is 150. Okay. Can we go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, anybody?
No, ma'am.
You will say no, ma'am. Somebody may be having a doubt. They have to tell. They should not keep quiet. If they don't understand, they should tell. We don't know what it is. Please tell again. I will tell. No hesitation. You should not feel any kind of hesitation to clarification of doubt. We appreciate if you ask. Now, you have to construct a frequency distribution table with a class size of 75 for this one. The scores are 170, 212, 252, 225, 310, 712, 430, 320, 328, 194, 197, 235, 318, 412, 535, 604, 726, 35, 410, 318, 405, 469, 373, 414. You have to construct a frequency distribution table. It should have class
Ma'am, with the
interval.
class size of what, ma'am?
What? Class size of 75. And you should have tally marks and frequency class interval. Class interval, tally marks and frequency. Which is the lowest here?
Ma'am, 170 to 245,
170.
ma'am. First interval will be.
Don't take such a thing. Smallest is how? Which one? Smallest.
170, ma'am.
170, no. 170 plus 75.
It is 245, ma'am. 245.
You want to do that? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you make 3 columns. First column cloth interval, second column tally, and third column frequency. So 170 plus 75,
245, ma'am.
245. 245,
320.
320.
320
320,
to 395.
395. 395 to
470.
470. 70 to
545.
545. Then 545 to
20.
620. 20 to 695. 695 to 770. Is it enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the
Yes, ma'am.
highest? 726 is the highest, I think. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So now write the tally marks. 170, 212, 252, 225, 310, 712, 415, 4, 320, 328, 194, 190, 235, 318, 412, 535, 604, 726, 375, 410, 318, 405, 469, 373, 414. So this is 6, 4, 4, 7, 1, 1, 0. Twenty. Correct. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt?
Ma'am.
You will say no, ma'am, because you don't have any doubt. Somebody may have. Shall we go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 24. Express 3.777, etc. in P by Q form. Do this. Have you done this before?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Okay, do it now.
Ma'am, 34 by 9.
34 by 9, ma'am.
34 by 9. So let x be 3.7 recurring. Multiply by 10. 10x equal to 37.7 recurring. 10x minus x equal to 37.7 recurring minus 3.7 recurring. 9x equal to 34. X equal to 34 by 9. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Question number 25. Circle. Quadrilateral. This is 3x. This is y. This is 5y. And this is x. Find the values of x and y.
It's equal to 45, ma'am.
X equal to
Y
40.
equals to 30 degree, ma'am.
Y equal to
Y
30.
equal to 30.
30, ma'am.
Huh. Okay. 3x plus x is 180. 4x is 180. X is 180 divided by 4.
40.
40. Correct. 5y plus y is 180. 6y is 180. Y is 180 by 6. 30. Correct. Can we go to next question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
26. The curved area of a cone is 12,320 centimeters square. Its radius is 56 centimeters. Find its height. Find its height. Curved surface area is given. Radius is given. You have to find the height.
Ma'am, 42 is the answer.
42. Okay, let us check. Formula for CSA of cone.
IRL, ma'am.
IRL, ma'am.
Of cone is pi RL. So pi RL is 12,320. Now L equal to 12,320 divided by 22 by 7 into 56. 7 8s are 11 ones are 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 11 ones are and ones are
Ma'am, I got 70.
I got
70.
42, ma'am.
Wait, I'm doing, let me check.
Okay, ma'am.
25260. So 70. Correct. L is 70. So
Yes, ma'am.
H
You
is
asked to find height.
H
Square
is
root of y square minus r square.
correct. 70 square minus 56 square. I can use a plus b into a minus 70 plus 56 into 70 minus 56. 126 into,
14.
so 126 is 2 into 23, 67 into 2. So 2, 9 sevens are 7. 2 into 3 into 7. 42. Correct. 42. Put a tick mark. Can we go to next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has done. No way of knowing. 27. Yeah. P2 comma minus 3 and Q minus 3 comma 5. Then find abscissa of P minus abscissa of Q.
5, ma'am, answer.
Abscissa
5, ma'am. 5, ma'am. 5, ma'am.
abscissa of Q is
2 minus
2.
2, ma'am.
Ma'am, why we have to do the square root of h is equal to square root of x squared minus h squared r squared? Pavitra has asked. Why we have to do h is equal? Yeah, Pavitra. Pavitra. This is called as L, slant height. Slant height is L. And this is the perpendicular height. This is h. And this is r. Now this right angled triangle. So apply Pythagoras. L squared is equal to h squared plus r squared. We want h. So h squared equal to L squared minus r squared. H is equal to square root of L squared minus r squared. Where is Pavitra? Pavitra, did you understand? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. She has written. Okay. Can we go to next question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
28. I think 28 is the next question. If 2x plus 3y equal to 12 and xy equal to 6, find the value of 8x cube plus 27y. Do this.
One 1,068, ma'am.
1,000.
620. 608, ma'am.
1,608 is your. Let me check. Now 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So we want to find this. So 2x plus 3y whole cube. We can do a cube plus b cube also, but we will do this one. So 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube plus 3 into 2x into 3y into 2x plus 3y. So 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 18xy 2x plus 3y. This is 12 cube. 12 into 12 into 12. 144 into 12. 1728 equals 8x cube 27y cube plus 18 into 6 into 12. So 8x cube plus 27y cube is 1728 minus 18 into.
I did one mistake, sir.
What mistake you did?
I added 12.
No. Multiply. 1296. I'm getting 432. Anybody
Yes,
got this answer? Anybody got? Hello? Did you get that answer? Anybody? Who got 32? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, time is up. Shall we close today's lesson?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh, you change that answer, whatever you had got, no. Multiply by 12, don't subtract. Don't add 12.
Okay, ma'am.
So children will continue in the next class. Bye.
Ma'am,
Bye,
thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.